Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 20th, 2021. CEI stock is starting another major comeback. I wanted to come in today and give y'all a price prediction update in the market for Camber Energy, right? You guys can see it from our chart. We were already predicting the price in Camber Energy right there on October the 13th. We were playing the weakness into the market. Did you guys see that video? Because if not, it is in our Camber Energy playlist. You guys can literally go back and watch and listen to what I said regarding to the weakness that we were anticipating to the market in Camber Energy. So take a look. Let's talk about this real quick. Now, before I do, you guys keep it locked in here. You guys want to learn more. You guys want to learn how to do this for yourself. Make sure you tap that bell notification. Make sure you like the video, share the video. And also, before you go out, before you guys go on and click on another video, subscribe to the channel, because this is the realest spot that you're going to get price predictions at. Straight up. All right. So let's do this real quick. Let me talk about our last prediction that we did in Camber Energy. You guys can see it was on October the 12th, October the 13th. We were playing the weakness to the market, and maybe 2-3 days into that prediction, the market did go down, right here. October the 15th is where the market started out on the open at $1.19. Go back and listen to my video. I wasn't sure where was our first area of TP at into the market at Camber Energy. I'm quite sure I did say $1.20, so hopefully you was able to eat off the play right there, which was 16.67% profitability into the market, right? Which is a good thing. Why? Because this movement of over the last 3 days has shown us that this price in Camber Energy still wants to trend higher, right? Because this ascending line is where our ultimate trend is. So as long as this price in Camber Energy continues to trend alongside this ascending line, we're good. We're going to expect the price to go up in the long term. It's just that easy, just that simple. So hopefully you all was able to grab that 16.5% out the market in Camber Energy on October the 15th. So it took about 2 days for the market to go down to that $1.20 area. And now we got liftoff, right? Could this be the start of the major comeback in Camber Energy? Like, that's the question we need to answer, because this is the next spot for Camber Energy that got hung up. Look at this. It's not a coincidence that all this volume came into Camber Energy yesterday and we were still unable to see the market break above $1.80. That's the next obstacle that we need to overcome for this comeback to continue in Camber Energy. So we're going to have to transition over and look at a couple of different time frames to see whether or not this market is still going to go up in price, because this is restriction. We are now knocking at the door of $1.80. So we still have to be understandable that the price is not going to go up until we really see it break $1.80. That is our next obstacle in Camber Energy. Now, the volume that came in yesterday was decent, right? We saw a pretty increased amount of volume than what we've been accustomed to. Like, we haven't seen this much volume in Camber Energy on a day-to-day basis since October the 8th. So yesterday the market participated. Yesterday the hedge funds came in and played. Yesterday the financial institution came into the market in Camber Energy. So now the question is, are they still here on the playground trying to play? Let's see. Let me show you all the 3-day time frame into the market in Camber Energy, because I want to make the determination as to whether or not we're going to see this price break $1.80. Like, that is pretty much my whole premise of this video. What is the probability of us seeing price in Camber Energy breaking $1.80 to the upside? So I wanted to start out on the 3-day time frame to see what's the outlook, because looking at this from a 3-day perspective, every price bar we see here is 3 days worth of price action. All right. So over the last 3-day price bars, yeah, we saw some weakness. Let me show it to you right here on this 3-day price bar. And then again on the next 3-day price bar. But on this last one, wow, that one 3-day price bar spread literally has encompassed pretty much all of the spread from the last 3-day price bar, which is completed, and then the previous one. So if the market in Camber Energy truly was weak, tremendously weak, then this current 3-day price bar right here would not have closed towards the high of the bar and would not have eaten up the last completed 3-day price bar if the market in Camber Energy truly was weak. So now the question is, can the market break $1.80? Looking at this on the 3-day time frame, yes, the market here in Camber Energy is looking to break $1.80 to the upside. Now, it might just hit $2. Okay, I don't want you all to think that I'm looking for the price in Camber Energy to hit $15. No, because we have information here in the background of this chart that, you know, around $2 is the spot, it's the location that we can see the market get hung up next. Okay, right there. So I will give the first spot $2, and then the second area will be around $2.30. Will be the two locations of where I will be expecting the market to get rejected and price come back down in Camber Energy, right? This is not one of those moonshot plays. You guys can tell from the history of this chart all the way back in 2020 that we really don't get too much movement. Like, the market just trades sideways for the most part, and that's about it. So this is not one of those places where people need to be expecting the market to shoot up to $10 or $15. Not yet. We have to break $3, just like we did here. Okay, just like we did here in Camber Energy. We need to see this market break $3. Okay, right there. And maintain it. Okay. So once the price in Camber Energy breaks $3, then that tells us that we are on a new trajectory, that the market is really trying to move this market higher, above $3. So we failed the last go around. We failed on our September the 24th. We failed again on our September 29th, and the price came back down $3. That $3 price level is going to be real important for us to continue to shoot up past $5, $7, and $10. We need to see the market hold $3, period. If we continue to see the market get hung up at $3, then we cannot expect the price to go any higher than that. So that is my next thing that I'm going to be focusing on as I see this price in Camber Energy try to go up. Okay, because I'm going to play the strength into the market. I'm going to look for Camber Energy to go up in price now. Now, do you guys remember? I said that the first area that I would be looking for the market to go is like $2.25. Well, let's do $2.30. That would be the first spot. Now that's 35.12% market move. And given the increased volatility in the Camber Energy over the last week and a half, that's easily doable in a day for the market to go up 35%. And then the second area will be around 3. Okay, so I'm gonna do around $2.75. So we got $2.20. The ultimate area is like $2.75 that I'm looking for the market in Camber Energy to go. It's close around 3, but I don't want to play on those type of numbers because everyone else sees that as a nice attributable point to where they would exit out the trade. I want to go a little bit lower than that so I can be able to eat out the market before anyone else. So that is there. Okay. And I'm going to hold this market price in Camber Energy right there around $1. So as long as the market in Camber Energy holds this dollar price, namely we see the market continue to trade alongside this ascending line, my expectation will be for us to go up in price right there. So let me take this horizontal line right here and let me move it up towards the spot, the location that I'm looking for the market to hit TP first. Okay, it's going to be right around $2.16. Okay, I think I said $2.20. Give me $2.16. Okay, that's where I'm looking for the market to go in Camber Energy. So let me just bring it out here so you guys can see where the market rejection has gone since like 2020. Okay. So let me switch this back over to the daily so we get a better idea from a daily perspective as to where we're looking for the price in Camber Energy to go. So now we got the playground. Now we got the outlook right now in Camber Energy as to where we're looking for the market to go. So we're not going to be surprised to see this market go up to $2.16 and try to come back down. We won't be surprised to see the market get hung up at $2.75 because I've already talked about it. So now I want you all to give me your ideas as to where you think the market in Camber Energy is going to go over the next 3 weeks. So let me bring this in closer. Okay. Let's keep an eye on the market in Camber Energy over the next 3 weeks. Leave me your price prediction with a comment below. and tell me where do you think the market's going to go so that we can all see everyone's thoughts, everyone's ideas as to where they're expecting the price to move so that everyone can make their own decisions. So tell me your price prediction. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different. And I'll see you again on the next one.